All I will love him, watch him all the time. We put out one notification to do the next video of a poll. But we see my word about us in the air. I want you start to make some noise right now. For the man who is on the street, the man where everybody can relate to. His name is Dutty.
Hey, what's up? Burritos. No, I'm here at the Dynamic Health School Tour. We're at Staths. Somewhere off downtown, and I'm getting ready to go speak. Patrice step on the stage right now. I talk to the kids them, you know, about mental health and all them little stuff there. I'm going to go on to go talk about social health and social media and all of these things. Hopefully everything goes great. But very excited because this is the official launch of the tour. And you know, I'm in a new to tour. I regular may I tour these high schools, but I just love to engage with the youth them and you know hear for them perspective. So let's follow me on this episode of The Road with Dutty.
My 15-year-old daughter come to me and said to me, Mom, you can't leave me. 15 years of age, that's a responsibility you don't want to put on a teenager. And that's the main reason why we're doing this tour. We're doing this tour to lift the stigma that's associated with mental health. We're doing this tour because we need the voices to join us in, to let people know that they are not supposed to be ashamed to say, hey, I need help.
Is the nearest jerk pot.
So you know, like per usual, whenever I did for hungry. Now this is what is reggae drumming. Reggae drumming piece of hot dog will come save my life because everyone come walk in my belly, I'm dead for hungry. Hopefully it tastes good.
Bad man.
The white Jamaican community, we are always willing to support.
So you can't stop?
All this support. So you know the pretty things
right, that's my vlog.
It's all
big up man.
Well, I'm a big fan of you.
Oh, thanks man. Alright, say box cover. Say box cover. See they we put on accent.
We have to thank
Alright, put on the right drinking British accent.
which is lifestyle.
Put on the right drinking British accent.
Sorry, I did not know. Oh yeah, box cover, something whatever, you know, so you know,
Oh, cool.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so show the names so the people can follow you. When the inside. Del hold on, look, I never there record a while ago. Let's go again. What you said?
Del underscore Mario that underscore.
Alright, what you say, Mr. Reggae?
You know, see, young underscore Vices. You see me, young prodigy jumping.
Alright, you know the Instagram.
Vandal underscore music, you see me?
Alright, so what the best thing about in the school? What the best thing about in the school?
Best thing about school, like, them help and thing like that. Whenever we need, like, help with this kind of thing, them push help and rate them.
I want about the lunch. I want about the food there, the lunch.
Very expensive, very
Three
expensive.
things to remember.
See, I'm starving.
I'm still a thing.
Yeah, thing, hold on.
Still a thing. You know, one favorite teacher up here.
Favorite teacher.
Like
Better say that one English teacher
don't
down. One.
We complain about
Mr.
this today. But the reality of it is that the person who died yesterday, if they knew they were going to die, they would still pray for life today. Don't it?
Okay.
You are loved.
Alright. Bless up.
One thing about this disease.
Wow, so I just got word that it's my time to go, like after this person, to go up and go talk to the kids them. And all of a sudden, little nervousness and anxiety start to kick in. Oh, hi, brother. You can't give me a little pep talk. You can't give me a pep talk. What are you going to tell me?
We're going to go out there with a 4-3-3 formation.
We're going to go out there with a 4-3-3 formation.
Yes. 4, always stay focused.
Stay focused.
3, imagine everybody in the draft.
Okay.
And the other 3, keep focused.
That was the worst advice ever. But I think you're going to do it.
Just keep focused, brother.
As Prince Partners or the Jamaica Observer. So, all we love him, right? This next person is going to come and talk to us. All we love him. We watch him all the time. We put our notifications to see when the next video will post. But we see my own out in name. I went to the University of the West Indies and he was also my batchmate. I want you, Staths, to make some noise right now for the man who is on the street, the man where everybody can relate to. His name is Dutty. Alright? Max, come on! I don't see that. Make some noise, Staths!
Is it morning or afternoon? We still in the morning? Okay, Staths, how the feeling? Alright, I'm gonna line that. Alright, one, say something. So over here, so on the name Team Box Cover, right? Over here, we're gonna make it a little bit more complicated because it look like on a well bright. So for the thing is my word, my sentence, my paragraph. Wanna get it? Wanna get it? Alright. Okay, I like it. So, let me say all of the hands for the people who are on social media. Social media, alright? Mr. Someone now go, someone's not going to work, put on a hand. Because I want to actually move, can the people who are team Instagram stand up? Team Instagram stand up. Some people have an Instagram page right now. Alright, sit down. Team Snapchat, stand up, Team Snapchat. Alright, so less people, okay. Alright, if everybody don't stand up, then this look real bad. Where is Team WhatsApp? Yes, man. Alright, sit down now, sit down. Okay, I know more, include everybody now, I'm gonna try the one here. Team Facebook! Wait, hold on, kids stay silent. Let me ask the adults in the building, people who are over 18, for put up on another here. Team Facebook! Over 18, Team Facebook! Come on, adults, you know says Facebook on the use. Put up your hand, Patrice. Put up your hand, Facebook in the building. Anybody have any mother or, uncle who always send them like a little good morning, WhatsApp message them, go be blessed, with a floral picture them, you send those pictures, or you get them? Okay, let's be. How you make them feel when they find out today on your Instagram page, you try to post something and now what happened? When you say they feel what? Upset, and then you go over to Facebook, you try to post on what? Nothing. WhatsApp, no voice, no go through, no picture, okay. So what that creates is a level of dependency that we have on social media. And there is a little thing called phantom vibration syndrome, where it's basically when you don't have your phone on you, you feel as if you feel like your phone somebody will call you, but no one will call you. You get up and you come out of the car, you go so. You feel like it come like your phone is a part of your body. Your part of you like, don't it? No man wants to say right? Okay. And so let me talk about some of the stressors that social media gives us. So there is something called the highlight reel. Now when you're on Instagram, you're gonna just walk around. When you're on Instagram, people tend to post all the things where them things that people want to see. Right? So when they're there, I am mother, because they say must go wash the plate them in the sink. You know, post that by Instagram. But you see, as soon as they get a little $10,000, you get for New Kingston or you get for whichever restaurant, Triple Century and birthday party, you take picture out there, right? Whenever the taste is, you're not post in front of taste this party. But when you got a restaurant and that you put out, right? It's the highlight reel.
Alright, so I'm there, and two little ladies come to me.
Sir, can I get a picture, sir?
And them come and call me sir.
Can I get a picture, sir?
The level of disrespect. I am not a sir. I am a youth. I am a Jenna. I am a boss man. Wells. You just leave me hanging. But I'm not a sir. I'm too young to be sir.
Alright. Minister, so we are now prepared to teach me this. I can't wait to see my life. Ready? Pull up, ready. You got even one shoulder alone here. One shoulder alone, one shoulder. Alright. Let's see we are now. Ready? Ready? One shoulder be a friend.
Stipend?
Commonwealth Youth Peace Ambassador Network, and we're supposed to be located in the 52 countries that is under the Commonwealth, and we're here in Jamaica. So currently we're on a school tour, and it would be nice. We're using the hashtag Youth for Peace JA. Yes. So I'm asking if you could rep for us. We just had our school tour at Clarendon College where the boys did some stuff.
Oh, cool.
And it was really exciting, so I'm wondering if you could rep for us.
How do I rep now? What am I just saying?
You know, Youth for Peace JA, Saipan JA, support
Is
the
it
cause.
Saipan?
Commonwealth Youth Peace
Saipan.
Yes.
Saipan, ready. So, oh, I don't remember what I said. So our box out is representing for Saipan JA. That's it?
Yeah, Youth for Peace JA. Youth for Peace JA.
Saipan, Youth for Peace JA.
And support the school tour.
Let me see if we can do it. Ready?
Let's go.
Boston, this is Duttyberry representing for Saipan Youth for Peace JA, representing for the school tour and all of these things. Shell. Wait, did I get it right?
Yeah.
The chicken in? The chicken in?
Chicken, what's your name? Best dressed chicken. Chicken, your mother say, nah, eat chicken. The chicken say, oi! No, it's a way to beer bone. Chicken breast
can't come off?
eat.
Oh no. It's a sewing act.
You have an
Okay.
18 at this thing?
A video.
Call you sir, man.
You can do if someone
So you're looking for Jada. Anybody over here know where's Jada Kingdom? You're looking for Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom? You know where she is?
Surface.
We're trying to search for. Boss man, you know where Jada Kingdom is? Okay. We're trying to find Jada. Where's the quest for Jada Kingdom? She might be coming from somewhere.
Alright, she says comfort them. Give her a big round of applause for me, no man. Because sometimes all you need is just a hug.
I feel like Jada Kingdom is in the town.
Yes.
Yeah man, Jada is in the town.
Hi.
Hey, we're looking for Jada Kingdom. You know where she is?
Is that for me?
Yeah.
No.
We're here that she might be in the town.
You don't have to actually say what
Jada Kingdom is in the town.
Steve, Jada Kingdom in the tank. Say hi. Yeah.
That's where she can come from.
But I don't want you to forget what we come here about. We come to focus on mental health. Yeah, it's very important. No oversharing on the ground. Watch how I post, watch how I talk, say. You get what I say? You get what I say? Yeah. So to make sure we not protect our mental health. You see me? I want you to take the talk from me. Stay in school, do what you need to do, love yourself, yeah? Big up. Staths, let's reverse Virginia.
Ready? Oh, we are looking so sorry.
Yeah. You want one more? No. You can't see the sunlight. You can't see it. Ready? Alright.
Okay, cool.
You can type.
Hey, hold on, this is badge alert, so let me see what you have
I'm missing my prefect badge.
Yeah, what is it? Founders Day?
Yes.
Sixth form?
Yes, I'm missing my prefect badge. I'm missing my academic mentor badge. I'm a
How come you not a badge?
Because them a drop off.
No, I can't believe it. Not one extracurricular.
Student council.
Well, if I don't see, that's no proof. Let me see.
I them a drop off.
Okay, see them on this girl at got school. Watch them man. Couple badge. Let me see right here. So no, I don't know where the art one here from. Valentine's Day present?
No, Hard Foundation.
Oh, Hard Foundation with the
Valentine's
debating.
Day present.
Oh, you give Valentine's Day present?
I'm a best friend.
Okay, all these. Let me see what are on there?
Debating.
Debating and the green one or what?
House badge.
Oh, house badge and the red something there, what?
A relic. It's a relic.
Or just I don't even know what relic mean, but let's just pretend I know.
Decoration.
Alright, peace out people.
Okay.
Yes. Well, that is it, people. We'll come to another episode after The Road with Dutty. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It is here at the Dynamic Health School Tour at Staths. It went great. So Patrice around here, so oh yeah, she run me up for the for a photo op. But yeah, make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Alright, peace out. Bye. Bye. Tell the people that I'm saying this is what The Road with Dutty. So big up that. That's The Road with Dutty vlog. Ready?
Big up The Road with Dutty.
Yes. Well, that is it for this edition of the Staths Dynamic Health School Tour. I'm very tired. It was fun. So I'm going to collect some little freeness here. I'm going to stop.
They're heavy still, you know.
I'm going to take it and sell. Anybody who wants something from this, just DM me right now. I'll give it to you for a small cost of just $50 US. So leave a comment if you want some of the freeness.
That's great.